Timo, good to see you. Please take a seat. Jay, welcome. Make yourself comfortable. You can take a seat. I've been expecting you. And thank you so much for coming. Let me begin by saying the cancer. Ekutakamwena and mebone swifanelekile ko miteka gonzo lerwana ro mita preparerwa vukati. It is very important. Makaya premarital counseling is very, very important to prepare you for your marriage. Session leta hina hilatavana to. Titavana swiyenge swa mune. And I want you to get ready for that. It is going to have 4 phases. The first phase is the burisana imakayo disclosure past yamoin, where you are going to tell her about your past. She's going to tell you about your past. Because remember, the past, ina potential your destroyer njango. It can demolish your marriage. And so we must deal with it and we must face it. The second phase, we will be dealing imakayo mehlangane njani. Mehlangane kuyi swite njani ko ri ajale rwana ri ta eka ntombi leyi. Ri fika ri gangisa. A swi rini ko ri a fika a ku xela and nawe swi te njhani ko ri I n'wi pfumela. We'll be looking at that and loko se hi nghena eka phase 3 ya hina xiyenge xa vunharhu. Hi laha hi nga ta vulavurisana kona hi mintlhontlho leyi kumekaka evukatini. Because marriage yi na ti-challenges. Remember, you are going to come across the in-laws. You are going to come across a squeeze. And then squeeze, it means squeeze. Say, squeeze. What is the role of this man to protect you in that situation? And those challenges could be and we'll also look at phase 4. Phase 4 kumbe xiyenge xa vumune hi laha hi nga ta vona koho ku ri mi seketelana njhani evukatini. How do you support each other in marriage? How does this gentleman support you? And how do you support him? It's very, very important. Remember, there will be tough times. There is sickness. Remember, not only that, where you do not have children. How do you support each other in situations like that? So, or one of you unemployed, retrenchment. How do you support each other in a situation you're fananale? But remember, Makaya premarital counseling it's very, very important because you prepare. And you prepare in 3 segments of your life. Firstly, you prepare physically, so include that even mentally. You can prepare spiritually, you prepare financially, and all these aspects. Itabalabla ishona, dokse ihlangene nakambe eka session letlandzelaka.
Namhlanje ndafamba na Malwandla nako aya register nyana university.
Oh, okay.
Wala no hapo seka na sio mwana. Wena. Sio yini mara.
Honestly, Kokwane.
Ilo ndo hangu kumani.
Kokwane, look, Daddy's here. Hi, Daddy.
Yes, baby girl.
Daddy, you know, I've been thinking, Daddy, like, I have this huge idea, honey.
Yeah, fine, thanks.
Okay, Daddy, here's the thing.
idea.
I was thinking, Guru Daddy, I want to do acting as a career.
Acting as a career. Very good one, my daughter. But Shulawaranga ungena xikolo.
But then Daddy, neskolweni.
Hey, no wala ndlela ya kuri banana first choice and then acting iba second choice. Kuro ta swi n'wana mina ku loko acting swi nga ku fambeli hi mhaka ku ri chances are it might not. So u ta kota ku tiva ku ri u nghena ka career leyi nga sustainable.
But then Daddy, do you have like any idea Guru, being a doctor or a lawyer, it takes a bunch of years. Imagine 7 years schooling.
And so on, when I'm not support a career I'll tell you the disadvantages that a career, the advantages lady, Leo and it's I don't know.
Actually, Papa right, and I support him. She can't look over a career. Leung at a fuller back. I understand you've got this passion and a talent, and you're a beautiful young girl, but you still have to have a career. Something that you'll fall back on. You need a certificate, you need a degree, something that you know you can do. Look, so
I'm still very passionate, and we'll definitely support you.
Yes.
Miss Wilson, man. Hi, Miss Wanaka, one of the carry. Come be oil and mistress. The kind of mistress. I still go mistress. Did they believe lawyer? Did they believe the day? Did they believe still in process one up? Man, back of a steer. My mistress, when I be more. Didn't have my mistress.
Just imagine me being a teacher. Really?
You'll make a very good teacher.
Mommy, are you serious?
You will make a good teacher.
Mara, logo in our and our teacher of financial and some sort of acting. I would definitely support
Papa, let's be practical. You're going to stay back. One successful those who are doing well. Teacher. That shows to us who teachers or teaching as a career is a good thing because you're investing also in people's lives.
So when you talk about those things, I need a question.
No, I'm not canceling.
Anytime.
I'm just happy with Humba Communications and really looking at them in our projects.
Don't worry, anything for you.
Okay. No,
all right. Thank you, Jay. Like I said,
it's a pleasure, Linda. Ciao.
Hey,
Accept it.
Hi.
Ah, no, come on, Phil.
I don't want to give you my blessings.
I was still almost committed, so I can't do that.
Look how committed to one of
Ah, no.
At least, I'm not aware. I'm serious.
No.
I'm serious. Anyway, I'll see you.
Hello?
Yeah.
If I'm being genuine, I'm sure.
Hi, if I'm because register online. Send you what does send the email look
All
Ilumela Silas ngwana. Ilumela Silas ngwana. Ilumela Silas ngwana. Say I don't baka mkhula kuwena.
Abanhleketa kunobutomi. Atata dyondza haleni. Hey, ngaza kuma mavana le kaya. Ngomiyela loko ndlwa le ya mina ndisani ke.
U ta dyondzisa hi mani vutomi ku ri ku mina ni na mali phela na kwalaya ka malwandla ni u tshama registration fee no kumbexana u ta kuma ti-study loan.
Le ka ri tange laya na vutomi nga yi kumu.
Mo register loko ri na yena na mali mina.
Malwandla lo register yini kasi?
Ani hi yona ntsena ni nga na yona.
Va ta tshama hinkwavo va ta yimela loko u ta kuma na vutomi.
Yini?
Va ta tshama va nga yi xikolweni hinkwavo. Va ta yimela loko u ta kuma na vutomi va famba xikan'we hinkwavo xikolweni.
Why?
Ku na laha fanelaka ku tshama wun'wana ndisani ya wena ku yini xikolweni.
Ndawini ka ta mina wo tshama xinyamini yo na TV yo reta xitichi. Hey, ku karhala mani. Sweswi loyi
I mani Thandiwe? Yes, Silas. I mani Thandiwe?
Ni vula masiku hinkwawo ni vula vu lebyi wena byi kahle lebyi. Se u lo ndanda foni ya mina n'wi fonela.
Why Silas?
No ni xumisa u ni xumisi.
A va ku xumisanga baba Thandiwe?
Nghena hambana hi na switirese swa le mintirhweni tlhe ta kumana kwala kaya. Wona se wa va kotsa le ku rileni u ririsa hi vanhu yenikuloni tele ku phikizana na mina. Ni hambana wena ya wisi. Hey.
Manje
Eka nkatanga loyi ni n'wi rhandzaka ndzi navela wonge ingaku a ni ri na marito yo ringanela ku kombisa ku tisola ka mina eka wena. A ku nga ri kungu ra mina ku ku vavisa hambi ku ri ku rhandza ka mina leswaku u swi kuma hi ndlela leyi. Swi vavisa mbilu ya mina ku ku vona u rila. Vumunhu bya mina bya tsandzeka ku tiyisela ku ku vona u vavisekile. Ntsena loko ku ve a ku ri na ndlela yin'wana a ni ta sula swihoxo swa mina hinkwaswo ni sungurisa hi vuntshwa.
I have to go a second actually.
Yeah.
Okay. Gonna go somewhere. Okay.
Come in. Oh, welcome. Once again, welcome. Welcome. Have a seat, my dear. Thank you so much. Wow, you look beautiful. Jay, I'm impressed. I see you took my advice. This is exactly how you treat a woman. One side was spoiled or what provided from shelter to underwear. That's very good. I'm impressed, my son. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Excuse me. Can I take
Go ahead
this?
and answer. Go ahead and answer it for me. Go ahead and answer it for me now.
Hello? Oh yes. I did see your laptop charger in the bottom. I have it with me. Can you kindly drop me your GPS coordinates? Then I'll bring it over to you, to your workplace actually.
I'm not in the office right now. Unless later for coffee. It's my treat.
Let me check. I'm free at 5:30.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you.
Okay, cool. I'll see you then. Thank you. Bye. I'm sorry about that, sir.
All right, that's okay. That's okay. Make yourself comfortable. We said last time that we are going to have 4 sessions. Tabana swinge swamone eka makaliwani ya premarital counseling. And itangena eka so itasungula swesnyana eka lesho sungula. But here's the thing. Nla ibalabla emaka ya the breakups. And ranga itwa Matimu lanwani, ladies first, as they say. Matimu, tell me, have you ever had a boyfriend before?
Yes, yes I did.
You did? Awesome. And tell me, what happened? Did you have a breakup with him?
Oh, it took me almost 3 years but then eventually ningabalerili and bilamna chuchekile so. Yeah.
That's good to hear. But was it painful though?
Very, very painful.
Yeah. Anyway, I will respond to that. Let me come back. We'll come back to that. Let me hear from JJ. Did you have a girlfriend before?
Yes, I did, doctor.
So tell us what happened.
Mina, doctor, I shouldn't bother to make a relationship with Kayana. And got a Scottish of Mina Lokon Lavon, funny at least in Chicken at the bottle store, Naringa Sunkuma. I mean, like, situation there, and Kayana's I ain't the girl's name. Kunam Karlan Fan Biwash Karkawan, come and finish the Kataniman, Minatler said. Until this situation, Langas one and Minakora, it's an above Sekas name. Even the best way for me is to let go and get out of the relationship. So I did just that.
I see. So that made you finally decide you are breaking up with this woman.
Yes.
Yeah. And on your side, how was the breakup? How did you take it? Was it easy? Was it painful?
For me, it was painful. You go. I don't run irrespective of situation lay I know kurukunam karle apani baash karkawano, but I took it as a man. I was like nang ranza, but Susan Fikalangas one over no, me not dignity, I mean as one on a yellow and then I decided no, it's fine. As much as no ranza, I'm gonna have to let go of the relationship, so
I understand. That is a very important thing you said. Let go. Because if you cannot let go or do not let go, they'll always come back to haunt you. We will show you how you are going to let go of this unsolvable ex. Because this unsolvable ex can become a problem in your marriage. But as they say, you forgive, but it's difficult to forget. But we are going to help you how to overcome and go through that situation.
already?
And then put in your job,
Why am I not joke?
I'm gonna start the decision now.
Kini?
I'm not going to Mansong, or the Famana Mansong, I'm leaving.
Mama Singh, Samir njani kuvuka?
Katika mina kantikela kama Singh. It's tough, yo. It's really tough.
Ngonjap saman kumelele yini?
Ifonele man, no man. Uyatandiwa.
Mungarili mama.
Logan romansa.
Sorry. Ish, mingatuku baba ngovu. I'm so sorry.
Mina nsamela ntakufa manizela abantu abatamnika baba.
I'm so sorry. Marito baba, I'm sorry. You have to go through this. Mingatuku baba ngovu na stock shababa, but mukondelela. Xikombi xi ta mi hlamula na n'wina. Ana swi tiva I marito yo vava ku hava n'wansati loyi a nga ta ma tiyisela I marito yo tlhava ya vavisa, but try to be strong.
Hello?
Hello, Jay. Good day.
I'm going to do.
I'm stuck in a cooler dog. I don't know what to do.
Okay, come on, the location you want to go WhatsApp. I'm coming just now.
Okay, done.
Alright, cool.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Maka mazumbu kama mashila.
Nakana dzumba ntoyi. Hiku ndala ya ndala mani kutena swin'wana nta phora na mina vo ni xawulanyana ni fana na van'wana vanhu va cakunyaka.
Lowu ngwa n'wina u kwihi?
Yo! Loko vona na hi munhu yaleyo nga munhu wo hlantswa. Loko a za huma ya I fambile ambala xiqhepezani swo fikana n'wansati wa muti ambala xilo xi nga hundzi vatsolo mvame mba tutuvula ya I n'wi tutuvurile. Ho!
Nathan, back in love with the Canadian. One in Monaco, we are near Holland, Dodge, so I'm now going to say, I'm going to have to go that side on turn.
It's not a problem.
Alright, cool.
Damn password.
Love, nineza ndaba. Tell me, ungashiteki indlela yin'wana ne? Me wena na mani mi hanyisana njhani le kaya?
Why you vutisa sweswo love?
Ni vutisa hi mhaka ku loko ni vuya na nhlekani ni vuya ntirhweni va ku va tshame laha handle laha se va ni hlamusela timhaka ta ku ri a va si dya and all that a ni swi tekelanga nhlokweni ku fika kwalano mara no vula ku it's good ku va ni vutisa ku ri what's going on ku ri should there be any problem so that we can sort it out?
No, well, problem. I think man vutikulerile love wa va vona na wena. You know, it's funny. There are times la mani va nga ta sikima u kuma ku ni kona ku decide ku va la ku ti endlela swilo and ni va byerini ku loko va la ku pfuniwa a va ni vitani va endlela. But I think it has to do with old age.
Nga zo va tekela nhlokweni ka mina.
Leswaku papa.
Thank you, Katamina. Thank you a lot. Hey, look nice, eh?
Yeah, must be so shaka shine.
Ah, no, Steve, Katamina. That's a grosso car. I'll show you. Hey, Timos. Hey, we're in pijama. Oh, any shower, woman. Oh, only Saturday. Get you Saturday, eh? Hey, oh, and I go to market and do in corner, me. Hey. Ah, but anyway, pijama is a bowl, man, eh? Yeah, man, sharp. Sharp with the brass. Hey, Katamina. So cara tango boleh satu ingin, dari so anak timing nangkar phone na lo.
Mesti kata panen tlonya ne?
Magain kata mi.
Phone yang mana ya rasa. Ada mesti jauh voice yang masa dia lo. Sudah mesti amin. Iman ya.
So semula ucap ngantolo vele, menukun tolo vele so senda.
Pinci kasembula na sudah.
Lalu balik nak jamba mi, lalu ngantolo tolo vele. Nena mana wana so udah so wana so nande. So nanda nanda ini mi. Nanda ini mi nanti kan pun tegang wasa tegang sini tegang wana na kulon kualan duit. Yore ni kan sama orang biru kuat.
Oni chikala kuwawa ninga seketa nguman. Moranzi wo. Oni chikala.
Hey babe. Concha. Nisha. Hey baby, I am so sorry about that. Another meeting one will learn namuhla nalindi. Ungitsunda musilindi wa about communication. Yes, she has been assigned to handle our project.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So baby, what do you think about the counseling session so far?
Yo, babe, I am enjoying myself with you. Loro, sinfula mahlu kahle. Now I am way too informed. Yeah, baby, that is true, hey.
Okay, good night, my love.
Alright, baby, I love you too. Baby. Bye.
Mana malah?
Katanga. Akawan yung kwa wala fa na protect. Yung na mara ko kusungula no yami yo wete.
Seba kuzera deri lo mngana ne. Ula kun komse maporisa ne. Sulawan kurra, uta kun komse le shoshte.
Sayange solution amathada yami.
Sure like.
Nashtiva kumina swa kereke amishitisi swona. Mara ni kusunga kanjani loko ya ka Dr. Maboya. Ya vulavula na vona va ta hi pfuna.
Ko problem, swo mfundhisa ko problem. Musa wala mali.
Hey, vanhu swa mahala ma swi lava man. I mahala papo.
Okay, no problem. Mara wangafika va byela ku hunduka hi tswalo ra vumbirhi because that's impossible. Anyway, let me go to work now. See you later.
Bye.
Hey, namuntlha ile eka hlokomhaka leyi ni yi rhandzaka swinene. I love this subject very, very, very much. Hi la tiva kahle ku ri hey, these two people va hlangane njhani. Hey Jane ndoda, leswi nga koka rinoko mina ku ri i ti vona i hetelela se i xele ntombi leyiwani. A xi lo yini ndoda?
After situation leyi a ni ri ka yona
Right.
a ni vona ku ri a ni tsakangi. She gave me so much support because a swi vona ku situation leyi ni nge le ka yona a ya ha tsakisi. After loko ni hambanini na sesi loyi a ni ri na yena va va ni hlongola entirhweni because of she sabotaged me entirhweni. And then ni helela hi ntirho ni ve ni tshama nkarhinyana ni nga kumi xikorobo, but she was always there on my side. For siku leri ni nga ri na swo dya she made sure ku ri na yena a nga dya hambi ka vona swi ri kona. She made me feel like a man again. A ri kona hi minkarhi hinkwayo loko ni n'wi dinga. And that's how I felt for her.
Wow, that's very interesting. Since you're obvious ku ri mhaka leyi ya n'wina leyi sungulela kerekeni a kha ni swi vona mani swi vona na langutelo nyana ra koho ku ri mhaka yi kona laniwani je. Hey, say Matthew, why did you agree to this guy? Swi te njhani I pfumela misa lowani?
Doctor, nkarhi hinkwayo loko ni n'wi vona a ni vona n'wanuna wo tilunghela, wa vutihlamuleri, wo titsongata. Loko ni n'wi languta I saw papa. Hambi loko a nga ri na mali, a nga ri na nchumu. I just loved him. I just fell for him.
You see, what you just said now, both of you to me, is very important. You see, the very same thing they can attract to each other, that thing must still remain. Because if that thing you are here, it means your love is over. That this attraction, first attraction, must always be there. And I wish so many people can see this and wa premarital counseling to avoid this what divorce, this fatala, and we are going to help you. As the premarital counseling sessions that one, why they're important. But I'm glad you spoke about how you first met each other, and it's very important. That attraction must always be there.
Jamu yako nguro chirwa inga ringana tabzema mwana mashili. Tota ani amasha we.
Mani ani mfanike Mungu tasonja ndotsongera na chipelo.
Hey. Iko umashikole nje.
Kokon America I created the life sciences. Now I'm listening to text.
Niriko we xikolweni na. Engahleketi kwa na vanhu na maphorisa lava ni byela ku wena if I fambi ya ngeni lomu a wu fanele nga ngheni kona ku xiko xo
Nchumu kokwani like ane ka chomi ya mina.
I ti vangela mirhwalo wena. Sweswi ta twa ku ri na ndzhwalo kun'wana kwalomu. A mi lava ku nghena xikolo kumbe xikolo xa pfuna. Hi te veve yana mi endla mistress. Wena.
Mane.
Chin.
Come on. Ani nyiki nkarhi wo vulavula na n'wina kunene.
Kasi a ni yingisela mina ke vulavula.
A vula mahlamulelo. Hey. A ni tivi kumbe ni to mi dyohela mara a ni ri na xikombelo mhani.
Xa yini?
A ni kombela ku loko ku ve ku na swin'wana ni nga mi hoxela ka swona kumbe ni nga mi hundzisangiki kahle mi ni khomela ni n'wana wa n'wina loko ndzi ta
Ko va wa xanisa n'wana ndi wena. I tshembe ku mani ni rivalele ku ve wa xanisa. Xanisa stereke. Ni n'wamaxila mina na ndliwa. Lava ni nga kula na vona va ni tiva kahle. Mina a ni la vondleriwa manyunyu mina.
a na swi tivi ni vula yini ku va ku papa Nhlanhla va ni hlamusele ku ri onge a mi tsakangi mara ni ringete ku va ni ti lavisisa a ni twisisi ku ni nga va ni hoxe kwini.
Hey, a mo ni hleva na nuna wa wena.
Eka mana ni nga mi hleva.
A mo ni hleva. Loko se ku papa Nhlanhla a mi ni hleva.
A swi tani mhani ni mhani wa hina mi ri vambirhi.
Ti khomi kahle na wena. I se ku koma nga ti khomi kahle. Hikuva i fanele ti khoma kahle. Swirhokwana leswi mbalaka swi fika i lava ku i mbala xirhokwana xi kova namuntlha. Loko sweka vuswa a byi vu ni ku namuntlha sweke mbota ni tsakela swona. Oh la.
Mara ka mhani a ni n'wana wa n'wina a mi ta n'wi dyondzisa njhani hikuva mi n'wi rasela a ni loko n'wana hoxa wa dyondzisiwa ni dyondziseni na mina.
Loko zi suka ka n'wini ta vukatini va va ku dyondzisile va tlhela ku laya. Loko a ku thamu ta vukatini a ku ta fika dyondzisa hi mani.
Mara ni ta dyondzisa hi mani a ni mhani a mina mi va vonini loko va famba mi hlangana na papa Nhlanhla mani va ha ku lova ma swi tiva swo tala ni swi tivi no famba ni ti kulela kwala mitini.
Kwale mitini kwalomu ma famba kula kona a va nga dyondzisi vana a wu pfuvela tindleve leti wa n'wi vona na n'wana wa wena i nkarhi wa ku vuya xikolweni lowu i tekele wena hala tlhelo wa tsonana na swo mi lava ku dyondzisa swa ku tsonana hala tlhelo na futa hala tlhelo nomo hi lowu
futa mina mani
futi na
zwo yini kunene
wa nga languti a swi twali no twala swa ku tshama swi
a na swi tivi ku swi endlisa ku yini futhi na ringeta ni ringete hinkwaswo mara xo mi tsakisa ku hava misaveni mani ku hava
ma ni tsakisiwi swo ka swi nga fambi ndlela me ni lava swa mani road straight Polokwane to Johannesburg wa yi vona layini ya kona yo thwi ni lava munhu wa ku thwi mina.
Hi love.
Hi love.
Yeah.
Oh, hi sir.
Ka to ku humelela hinkwala no?
Ke?
U lava ni loyi?
U tele ku ya xikolweni na yena.
No, mara u ta njhani laha mina n'winyi wa mutini kambe ya swi
A ku na lava nga fanela ku ya xikolweni van'wana va lo tshama. U lava ku ya xikolweni na yena.
Can you believe we're getting married soon?
I can't. I really can't.
You know, I'm thinking for in the next 24 months, ne? Loko hi tala. Fana va ku ri na xihungelanyana mani. Ku ri nga tshami ke tshama laha ntsena ku ri a xihungelanyana.
U vula tani?
Eya. Why not? Phela premarital counseling leyi attendaka na Dr. Mabuela and the premarital classes. Now I feel way more than ready. Ku ri mina na wena se hi nga tekana hi va nsati na mina.
Jay, nhlashisa.
Okay. Nakala something?
No, siya.
Mara.
What?
Info. Scusa wena ai n'wana mhana wena a ku na lexi a nga ta ku pfuna hi xona a ku na vundzuku lebyi a nga ta ku pulanela byona so u nga twi yena mina hi mina ni nga waka n'wina ni nga ngati ya wena se dyondza ku tirhisa lexi mfumo a twanana no sure
a mi kotela ka tirhweni leswi ma ha ri ku na mithini wa ka xin'wana
ni ta kuva loko ni vuya poke buti
le kaya ka hina le endyangwini wa hina na papa ka tika mara problem yi kulukumba i ku a ku na vana so the other day ni foneriwile mina hi nhwanyana un'wana a ni fonela a ni caca a ku mina ni tshamele yini le ka masingi hi ku a ni na vana a ni le ku kuriseni ka xivongo xa ka masingi se swa ni vava swinene papa va swi amukerile va tisola but lexi xi ni vavaku ngopfu i ku va ya mahlweni na vugangu a ni swi tivi ka tika
Okay. Se loyi a nga mi fonela nhwanyana ma n'wi tiva?
Thandiwa.
Alright.
I tivule na vito.
Tatana Masingi, a hi tivi ku ri leswi va swi vulaka mani hi swona xana?
I ntiyiso.
I ntiyiso. Ya. Mo ni rhanga hi ku hlamusela ku vana va huma eka Xikwembu. Vana is not our desire or is not an issue leyi nge hina loko hi heta ku yi navelela a swi kota ku ti endlela. It is not up to us. Loko swi endleke ku Xikwembu xi nga mi katekisanga hi vana evukatini i ku rhandza ka Xikwembu. Xikwembu xa swi tiva ku ri why xi nga swi endlanga sweswo. There is no one between the two of you loyi a nga na matimba who has the power to make a child in this marriage. And so i fanele amukela number one ku ri i ku rhandza ka Xikwembu i ku navela ka Xikwembu leswi endlekaka in this marriage because Xikwembu xi tiva this marriage ya hina and God also knows our future. Maybe God's future about your life does not involve children at this point in time. And secondly, if I may twisisa again kuri rirhandzu is not based on whether vana va koho kumbe a va kona. Loko vanhu va tekana because va lava vana, the problem is that loko vana va nga kona evukatini, it means there's no more love because that love is based on children. And that is a very wrong reason to get married. When people get married, I want to extend the family. Who told you at the end of the day you will have children or even boys for that matter to extend a family? You can have children and it becomes all girls. You see, so that is a very wrong reason for getting married. Se na ito na makaleyo loko mani va fonela va endla appointment va se va hlamusela na makanyana yin'wana ku ri wonge mina vana a handle ka vukati lebyiwani.
I ntiyiso na sweswo doctor va kona vana.
Alright, va koho vana a handle. Yeah. Meke what I will suggest Ekamoy is that because vana va koho a handle, I don't think Manana Masingi one she can refuse loko mo I take any vana lava eva adopta iva vana va hina la kaya. Most probably those children find va kula in a healthy family situation and eva na and obviously na go man lagwa she will be able to say because eva na me. And when I will strongly suggest could let us do it like that. And please remember, finally, is that kubana bana outside Shivanga Bubutsa Lananakai. And Banfadivashti, if you have children outside of marriage or before marriage, and you don't disclose those children, at the end of the day, it will be revealed and it will create a big storm in the marriage. That is why before you get married, before you make a commitment now, is a paslahlane wa me. Ana hai ahandle manje. Sebathandi ifanele iendla farewell ekabo. Ikubaba ithandiwe. Say love Manan Masilga, she's now in my place. Say I suggest go and adopt those children and make them your children.
Dr. Lakens.
Cancel Dr. Mabuel.
Say man, that's why I'm winning. But let me also take this time. Nimramba. Inamjato la nwana. Kunenhlabo longataba ko wa J. Na Ntobiliyani bangi imatimo. I know you know them, but I wanted to attend their wedding. Maybe sitamfuna na n'wina ku pfuxelela rirhandzu leri ra n'wina, and you can have good memories also about your love. I want to invite you to that particular wedding, and I hope you come.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you a lot.
Thank you so much.
This also will know last year, not on a border on candidate or corner, so I'm not joining a local about.
No, thank you.
Hey, but I'm not explaining the young. Finishing of the solid John.
Yeah, I'm not really sure about that. Cecilia and Danke's one thing.
Just in jail, no smart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, Nana?
Nhleketa iti mhaka ta xikolo ati ya nhleketa iti mhaka ta xikolo life ya sweswi without the education ya hluphanyana nhleketa ku endla LLB.
Oh, wow.
Ya nhleketa LLB.
Tamba me like that.
Papa, me wanna join counseling session and I'm
No, it was so nice. I reckon I go.
I was got the same Dr. Mabuel.
Yeah, look at so many like so I reckon this year. I'm from this back.
Vana calling. So, Papa, so now I'm joining you, but they got another way. That's how I'm going.
No one can swing at the Kanyana, but Manacona Vanga ala, baby.
I'm thinking I'm just go to what
No, baby, I'm not saying that. I'm not sure. No, look, I'm not talking about something difficult to take up for a way. So I'm like about ala.
Moringet, like in Goba Combela, Vaca, the holidays. Because cause far.
Most definitely, baby. Why not for you, baby?
Hello? Ngikona kunjani nje?
Ngibona. Ngibaba ku-invite for lunch around 12:30.
Can we make it at 5?
5 o'clock is still perfect.
Okay.
Manjama wa man koma kahle.
Mama wena, kahle ne
kasi kambe na vahlovo ya mutimali
a ni swi tiva ku ta vula sweswo loko u teka ti-decision lamutini laha u va u kha mi byela mina wena u twana na mani sweswi ku u na dyin'wana lebyikulu lava ku dyisa exikolweni
Kota ku ri yini?
Ni kombela mi fikela tu. Hambana na vutomi bya mina a ni lavi ku tlanga na wena.
A ni lava a swi voni ku ri mina ni busy na sweswi ni lava ku teka nsati. Hayi mani. Ni kombela mi fikela tu.
Malanda kanjani? Malanda, ni kombela u ni khomela leswi nga ntwankhani lava na buti wa wena. A va ni mi kwatisa hi swin'wana.
Shanta?
Go on.
Sule?
Yini?
Itshame eka ku safara mani. U nga renge ridobori mi nga tli suka. I teke nyini.
Ha, kokwani maruketela.
Ha, kokwani maruketela. Ku yini ka swona? I tekele nyini ku loloha, vumbabva, vufembe na vutsonana.
Ya betul.
Njani?
Ah no, ni sharp. Wena?
Sharp.
Ya.
Sharp?
Ya, ni sharp. Why?
Malanda, a ni ku tivi ku fika kwalani mara I can tell ku you're not okay. Swi yo yini?
Betul. You don't wanna know.
A ni nga ta ku vutisa loko ni nga lavi ku swi tiva. Trust me. Swi yo yini?
U ta ku yini vutomi? Swilo ne a swi nga ku vavisi ku nga swi tivi. Wa swona? So u nga lavi ku handla swilo leswi nga ta ku vavisa loko se u swi tiva.
Okay. Sure.
I was very hurt. It's just now, Manila Tolo.
Tolo.
You don't remember?
What happened, Tolo?
No, phone really. Like twice. Even unruketela, I used to ground man. I honestly don't know.
No. Can't be. Mina, there's only one phone call that I received at all. And none of them was from you.
Oh, okay.
The only person doing it and Gavlan and Angelo Ganga at all. I got Lindy.
Oh, so nothing. I'm not.
I'm not saying Kuropenga. But the Sulana was on unstable.
Go me check my phone now and then.
Please.
Oh my God.
Am I still crazy?
No, baby, you're not crazy. You're not crazy, baby. Linda on phone el kotala tona. Answer the text message.
Hello.
One lava but mina nungijele ngo angilavi. Nungijele ngo mina nina wena. And I'm about to marry you. Mara still hard for Stella Kamina. Tona, she kept calling, she kept texting me. They can ignore the calls Diana. Until this one time, Lanya Shamura nungijele straight and said the record straight, correct. Linde mina unlove Tlana na wena. When I'm about to get married to you, babe. I am so sorry. I did not know that it was your call.
No, that was me. And she didn't get the record.
I'll speak to her. I am so sorry, babe. I am so sorry. You know I wouldn't hurt you. I am a woman. Kuhava xinga xendlaka xi loko ku twisa ku vava. A nge swi tsakeli ku ri ni kuma ni ku vona khorila. And was told I can't do that. Everything is humelela. Madyambu ya tolo i xihoxo. A ni kombela ni rivalela nkata mina. Please. I am so sorry.
You're forgiven.
I was one of my grandparents.
There you go again.
And this is the other reason why I love you.
Mina, really?
Come on.
Really?
It's just the last one. What's today I wanted.
Alan. Yes, Alan, kasi siya yun. Inkinga we. Ku vulavula swa pfuna.
Byelane. Sesi wa wena wa ni rhandza.
Malwandle, obvious, o ku rhandza. A wu vutisa question ya tani.
Just ni hlamula.
Wo ku rhandza.
In generally, do you think u ri wa ni rhandza sesi wa wena?
O ku rhandza.
Why?
O ku rhandza. Malwandle, you're part of the family.
So mara I munhu wa njhani?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Just explain in general ku munhu wa njhani.
Munhu wa kahle, ku rhandza ku hleka. She's a nice person. Why?
No. It's fine, never mind.
Mommy.
Yes, my girl?
Can I ask?
Yes, go ahead. Hey! Ndakubanomulo.
Well, Joko Kwan Bakawago, Yin, I'm on TV and she's like,
Tommy Amashila. I wish Tommy Amashila. I wish. Yeta pushana rishila. Amen.
Oh, vasho home baby.
Hey, papa.
Hey.
Mzumbe njani?
Hayi dzumbile ngobona kata mina.
Awayidzumbile.
Hey. Hi. Univona ni ri tani kata mina a ni lava hi ta yevulanyana xikondlwana.
Hayi xivuleni papa tanani na tona.
Wa tsundzuka mhaka leyi hi nga vulavula yona hi nga twanana ku hi teka vana va ta haleni va ta tshama na hina. Ya a ni yile ni ya n'wi vona Doris. So Doris u ri a nga ali ku ri n'wana a ta haleni hi ta tshama na yena mara yena loko a fane a ta n'wana loyi na ye mhani wa kona u ri na yena u lava ku ta loko n'wana a ta na yena va ri kona.
Doris i la ku tala a ta tshama na ntsala.
Ya hi leswi a vulaka swona.
Se n'wina mi ri yini swona?
Hi mina ni ri mavonelo ya mina i ku ni nge swi koti ku ka ni nga yi ni ya vona n'wana ni ta ya ni ya vona n'wana nkarhi wun'wana na wun'wana loyi lava ku ya ni ya n'wi vona instead ya ku Doris a ta.
Swi vulava hi mina mhaka na ku mina ni titwa njhani?
Matitwelo ya wena njhani se ni nga yi ni ya vona n'wana sungurile swo la ku nesiwa na boheka ku ya ni ya vona n'wana wa mina. Wunene hambana na wena ku sungula swa vutswaka bya wena.
How are you, Marcus? How are you, Mom?
Ani wela ngi makono wa ku tlamen. Famba na yena.
Hey, so far we've had great sessions. We covered swiyenge leswiyani swa hina leswi hi nga vulavula hi swona and everything went perfectly well and I'm proud of you Guri. Today you're finalizing session liya ya hina ya premarital counseling. And I want you to know namuntlha Guri koni the first 7 years yavukati of marriage. And if you guys can survive the first 7 years of marriage, your marriage will last forever. Because these 7 years, he divided into 3 parts. Hina, the first 3 years, ibana 3 years yavumbiri, ebe ibana lembero itelela, the last 1 year. The first 3 years, we call that the years of studying each other. You're still studying each other. And then the second 3 years, it's the 3 years where you are now doing what? You are settling into this marriage. And the last year, it's where you are solidifying your marriage. Remember that all the time. And I'm glad we're studying this one. But let's go into the 7 years. The first year is the year now where the woman is very submissive. She's listening to the man at all the time. The man, he's always doing the talking and everything. And the woman, she's submitting, she's listening. But in her heart, in her mind, she's studying you. She's studying how you speak, your tactics and everything. Second year, vice versa. This is where now the woman, she's beginning to do the calling the shots. Now she knows you. She does the talking, you do the listening. The third year, this is now where both of you, we take it good now, and then it's studying each other. Now you've studied each other. You know each other. She knows the weak points. She knows your weak points. You know her weak points. You know all the weak spots and everything. And this is the year where you're even beginning to ask yourself, hey, you are seeing things. Can I stand this nonsense that I'm seeing here? You're studying each other, Matisala. Then it takes you now to the 4th year. Now the 4th year is a very challenging year. Probably the 4th year, maybe Shlagena or even 1. And because of that, na shape injahar. Pehara, I this was Islander. I'm still what's gonna happen. 4 years down the line, so I may IR gone. The true colors started that I want to call. I never was still when now this is where we prove get Jay. Is Jay in love with this woman because of how she is physically or because of what she is in the inside? And then every the 5th and the 6th year. This is now the great year of testing from the relatives, the family members. This is when now they test you. This is now where he twa ku kona n'wana a ki ya wena ku vona i rhandza va le ka n'wina a rhandza va le ka hina ya we xavela va le ka n'wina swakudya na ti-groceries le ka ekaya ka n'wina i rhandza mhana wehe a rhandzi mhana mina. All these things, they come up. And this is where you overcome all those things. And if you can be able to overcome those things in those 2 years, the 4th and the 5th and the 6th year, and then it takes you for the 7th year. This is the year of perfection, where your love is being perfected, your marriage is being perfected. And if you can stand that and even go into the 7th year, still loving one another. Remember the 7th year, you are now solidifying. You are saying nothing can come in between us. Yes, I can stand all of this. You have overcome all of those 6 years. And the 7th year, you survive that one. I'm telling you, you'll survive the coming 70 years.
Hola.
Hi, Nalan.
Njani to?
Sakwena.
Ngishapo. Ngoba unendlela nyana mina sodla ne.
Alright.
Lokho sewuyipeni kwena kwendaba sodla.
Malan, lathi ngishesha kunakusapota. Umona side ne. Anisha kusesingenele yini nasiku la.
But don't worry about that.
Stop.
Mina na matimu ya rhandza ku khensa swinene for experience hinkwayo leyi nga yi kuma throughout the premarital classes leti I kid attenda kwala FCS. I khensa swinene ti hi pfule mahlo swinene. Hi nge hi lahlekeli loko a hi nga rhangangi titlasi letiwani. Ivi tlhela rhandza ku khensa futhi na opportunity leyi nga hi nyika yona yo va hi attenda finance, relationship and communication seminar. Communication then was not that good, but now it will get better and it will improve over time.
Right.
Every day lava ku cancer food for for the counseling sessions and we are looking forward to our post-marital counseling session.
Oh yes, definitely. Definitely.
Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Blessings.
Since in kind of swallow Makali Ashkolo says so much alonga. And clearly, the woman will be the next year that Miss Ashkolo.
Thank you, sir. Sirasi. I'm never remain. My good news. What an up.
Nge boyini bote. Nge boyini khali mastoko mbili swona. Khali mfonela nrekani khali bote and plan. Nge boyini serious.
Hello. Oh, okay. I'm just. Oh, hey. Mano ya nama.
Swasa mazefo. Shoye. Sefie. Kumele. Minute.
Eman manata.
Tommy.
Tommy nawe.
Tommy n'wana wa mina. Baby, u nge swi twisisi. I khale ni nga ta ku byela mara a ni nga swi tivi ku ni ta ku sungula njhani. Loko ni kuma vutomi a ni ri ntsongo a ni va na 14 years hi nkarhi wa kona. Hi biha a tripini ya xikolo laha ni nga fika ni hlangana na mufana wun'wana a ni swi tivi ku a huma ka xikolo xihi na ku wa ka mana a ni swi tivi. Na sex ku i swilo swa njhani a ni nge se swi tiva kahle.
Mara u endlile.
Yini ya kuma ku ri ni pregnant ni ri na 7 months. Then papa va ni hlongola kaya. Ni teko hi hahani ni ya tshama ka vona. Loko ni sungula ku vona vutomi a ri na 9 years. Ni mavimba vulavula na baba ku ri ni tlhelela exikolweni. Mina na vutomi a hi zangi va na bond komba ku ri mani na n'wana. A ni swi lava ku ku byela mara a ni nga kumi chance ya vulavula na wena swona. Papa nga swi tivi ku ri ni mana yena. Baby, ni kota ku ri ni kombela.
unganzeli khali why unganzeli khali siseso
Nishilamba ngokuhlamisela. Mara angisabona nkarhi wa kahle wa vulavula na wena hi swona.
a wu hleketa ku ta kuma ri
Khani kha lava u byela.
ina nkarhi wo leha ku fika kwihi mina wa kha tshama swin'we kumbexana ku wa ha ri ntsongo ku pima ku a wu ntsongo ku a wu se ringanela ku n'wi byela swilo leswi i xihundla xo nga xi khipa lexi for you u endlini loko namuntlha ni nga receive call okay that's why I fostera ku na ya xikolweni
Zama ku mina na vutomi na loko a ya swi tiva a swi twisisa ku ri na ringesa ku pfala that gap ka va na yona.
u nga ringesa mhaka ku famba ndzhaku ka nhlana wa mina swi nga ni swin'wana swilo u nga ni tumbetela u nga ni byeleki naswo wa ha yimeli nkarhi wa right va tiva ku yini hi ta famba mina na malwandle
Na kombela rivalela.
Ku fikela ndzi nga swi amukela leswaku vukati bya hina a bya ha ri kona. Hi hlangane na swo tala lero ni vavisekile. Ni vaviseka ku fika laha ni nga swi amukela leswaku a ni nge he swi koti. Ku tshama na wena a ni nge he swi koti hikuva swi ni tsundzuxa hi marito ya wena yo tlhava laha u tshama u kha ni sapatela hi wona hi masiku. A na ha ku tshembi na swintsanana. Ni titwa ni nga ri wa wena. A na ha laveki laha kaya. Ni lahlekele na hi ndzhuti wa mina. Kutani ni vona swi antswa leswaku ni ku nyizela u sala u biwa hi moya. U sala u ti ehleketa. Loko hosi yi swi rhandza hi ta hlangana nakambe. Hinkwaswo swi le mavokweni ya wena. Sala kahle u hlayiseka.
Thank you, my baby. Alright,
let's get to business.
Ungabuleli makayivile.
Okay.
Ya yalendelo ngisa mina. Tatlindana ti-invitation cards. Mara ni vona ingaku a swi ta antswa loko endla guest list swin'we.
Yeah, I agree with you. Mina ndla deco and catering. Yeah, that's what I'll focus on. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Ngarwa mjalla la deco ne na catering kore. It's a private wedding. Kore wanga charging.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kita fama karma.
Around Burma 2. I think I'll take a half day.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
It's all right.
ngomba ngikhomela.
Lotho nembela ka.
Lana ni ku hembeli. Toma nga kurisiwangi hi mina. Mina na vutomi hi vanhu na dyondzo kumbe ku rhandza.
Softa.
Vutomi, ni kombela u ni hlamusela ne. Kahle ku tlekini tolo.
Namanti. Ni trayina fonela papa ni n'wi vutisa na yena a nga swi tivi swa ku ku humelela yini. Fonini a ku na loyi a swi tivaka.
But wena ne, loko u swi langutini a wu hleketeli nyana swin'wana nyana so.
A ni na clue swa ku nga ku i yini. A ni swi tivi, a ni tlelanga a ni hleketa hi swa vusiku hinkwabyo. Swa ni stressa.
Because ne, boti leswi ni nga wa vonisa swo tolo na sungula ku wa vonisa leswiya. A ni swi twisisi.
Ne.
Serious, a ni swi twisisi.
Yeah, baby. Then you from Benjamin.
Oh, okay. Very minute. Ntsale papila ka boda kereke. And we're approving. So our wedding venue is sorted.
Yay! You're a genius, baby.
Thank you.
You're a genius. Okay, and then decoration, and you go make Shiranziwa Enterprise. It's a package. Banga, decoration, catering, and everything else. So you're sorted.
Baby, you're the best.
No, you're special.
Yeah. And lexi ndzi tsakisaka hi venue ne a va na problem ku ri cause ndzi va byele la ka papu leri nga rhumela ku ri it will be a private wedding and we'll only have up to maybe 10 guests max. Yeah.
That's exactly what I want to do.
Yeah. It's going to be the best. I can imagine. I hope we understand the reason why you find you want a private wedding.
No, I get it. I get it.
I mean, like, look at here, babe. We still need a lot in here. We just bought this place for Minana, so.
Just for the two of us. Until little one, what's the matter? Yeah. Yeah, so everything else is fine. You sorted?
Come in. What's talking about?
I'm not sure. No, I'm sure.
Should I get you coffee?
No, baby, I have to fit into my dress. Okay, water is fine with lemon.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm getting myself coffee and ice cream.
Okay. As long as you thought I got two.
Njavu loko ni vona ndlela yin'wana ya ku va ni ku byerile ndhavuko wa ku twa hi munhu un'wana kumbe swi nga ta va so
ene ndana pfuka motela kun'wanyana
a fikela rini
loko mama uza u va hansi a ni swi tivi swi endla swi teka siku kumbe vhiki kumbe n'hweti hambi ku ri lembe enene xin'wana ni ta famba na malwandle ku endlela ku a nga sala vanhwalo Info.
But
I'm about to get back and do it. Come on, me now.
Hello, baby. How are you? And how was great?
It was great.
It was great. Oh, that's awesome. I'm glad it was.
Nothing like that until I come back from work.
Okay.
You must listen, mister.
My cancer wants to share.
Yeah.
Yeah. And until the show, you must not stay until late.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I must get home. Be a good pre-workout.
Let's go have dinner. I'm sure we'll find something. Let me get my car keys.
Yeah.
Marlon.
What?
I gave family.
Okay.
Tommy, come here and let's just go and sort it and go put it in. That's just this up. My colleague, my way. My skills now will that's one that I please. I'm going to my care. And I'm not really my just a quick mistake and I'm one what end the mistake. So no hace estar incluida Mara con la Qur'an tena la Qur'an and from semester and the imachi ni kanya mahlung Qur'an Vamos mbani vakulukumba ne amfite kuchiveriwa nchumu mara lexi xi nga xikarhi ka mina na nsati wa mina sweswi I swa hina hi vambirhi ene swi under control hinkwaswo so ni kombela ku n'wina mi tikhoma mi yima mi ta twa kusukela ka yena loko swi fita ku hi mi byela hi ta mi byela ene hi nkarhi lowu swi fitaka ku hi mi byela hi wona a twanana.
I don't think decoration ya le mjatweni yi ta hi tikela because the matrimonial yi ta va yi ri kerekeni.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh no, that's great. Sure loko hi nga endla petapeta ya ku ya hi ya tlela kwalomu hi va hi ri busy no lunghisa
No.
ene phela swi ta ni hlupha a ni flight ya mina phe ya Durban for business meeting ya 6 o'clock.
Oh baby, I forgot. Oh, I'm gonna miss you.
Is it? No, but it's just in and out in a way.
Okay,
I'll be
it's
back
fine.
in the evening.
All right. Itafika nampundzu and then ya set up for mchato. Then mina na onika itamsiya ya lungisa swa mapoto and then you can complete the whole thing. But on second thought, anhleketa ku inga kombela mani va hi langutela nhlanhla. What do you think?
Yeah. Mani ntasala na nhlahla mos.
Mina yini? Ntasala na mani? Ngwemi yakwe. Mani ila ngwemi yakho. Mani disiyodyo. Na benda ka disiyodyo ni fana na ngwemi.
Mane bona. Ani
mana hlahla na onika na team ya vona va ta va ri timbiteni
nani xikwadi swa timbirhi
mani mi to ani vona mi ti kotela ntsheve va xi endla hi vomu swilo swo taniya
swi kota ku sweka mara
vanhu ya masiku lama mi nge swi koti
loko munhu a chava ku wona vana va yena a ku ta nyika mina n'wamahihla ri ri la futhi ri nga xahala
mani mina ni hleketela n'wina hi ku sweswi a ku ri na ti-heat wave ka hisa ene mi dya maphilisi
ela ku ni byela ku nwa we byala ku dya kwa mina loko ku va ni hleketelele wa n'wi chavi ku hisa leyi yoveloveni a swi ni suki mi n'wamahihla a ni ngheni yaleyo
n'wamahihla xa hlopfu
futhi a ni ngheni
ku ri ku ta hlopfa ku hlopfana xipuku xa kona xa n'wamahihla
I don't know
ene ti na yena luya wena u kurisani swona ti na yena luya
mara mani ni vula njhani swo fana na sweswo
ni vula kahle
mani
ni vula kahle
ndza pfumela ku tanihileswi mi nga ta hi ta kota ku ri hi yevula swin'we kondlo leri mi nga ta hi rona ni swi twile na loko ni kuma a phone call kuma eka sesi loko va kombela appointment leyiwani ku ri ku ni mhaka leyi yi va karhatako ene ku ni mhaka leyi nga ti vonakarisa lan'wani evukatini bya n'wina and it is creating serious problems eka sesi nhlamulo I've picked up ku ri ku ni vanhu vanharhu eka this whole thing ku ni vanhu vanharhu lava nga va kotela lava va nga ku hlundzukisa lava endla leswaku u va na enga leyi u nga na yona munhu wo sungula i papa wa wena and the second person i papa wa n'wana wa wena and then wa vunharhu and which is very important hi wena i xiviri in other words you are very angry at yourself and you find it very difficult ku ri wehe i ti rivalela and that is where everything starts swi ta tika swinene ku i kota ku rivalela vanhu van'wana swi ta tika ku ri wehe i kota no ku ya emahlweni hi vutomi bya wena loko wehe hi xiviri i nga se ti rivalela eka hinkwaswo leswi nga swi endla kumbe eka swidyoho swa wena or in the things that you did in the past. And that is where we must begin, where we say you must first forgive yourself. But it is possible. All of us, hina swilo leswi hi nga na swona hi nga swi tumbeta, and slowly swi fana na cancer swa hi dya inside, swa hi dlaya inside. It's important that cancer hi humesa, hi susa, cut it out, and then you begin to be alive again. Says the big thing Lanwan is that number one, eka n'wana loyi mi nga byela yena ku ri ku ni n'wana loyi who is your child, your daughter, and you did not disclose to your husband that you have a daughter, and which is very, very serious. You are living with this thing, you are living with this thing in your mind, in your heart, because there's a child who is supposed to be your child, but you have denied that child. But not only that, you have denied this man the opportunity to be a father to that daughter. So it's important. It's very important for one of you and activisiwa for a man mark. But in that push, looking at several ready, don't force it, because should affect her and it will create a serious problem for you. If I look first thing first, it is emotional, emotional, because your daughter deserves to know the truth at the end of the day. She deserves to know this woman is her mother. It's very, very important. Advice here, man, is that when you are ready to tell her, get a mediator. Somebody, a break her ice, a smaller discussion. So that even when the child gets emotional or angry, there will be somebody who will be a mediator in between. And Chief, support your wife. All of us, we have mistakes. All of us, we have skeletons in the closet. We make that prayer, Linge, forgive us our sins because we forgive others. It is important to know God. Much as I ended this one, there was a reason. I used to why, but she had the reasons. You must support her, show her true love, forgive her, because now we're not done. We cannot say you are clean. There are certain things, so everybody, but it's our duty to forgive each other. And I think for now, because we must give her time to go think and to heal, and also give you time to do the same. And we'll end our discussion here for today. Let us all rise as we receive the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, today it's a very big day in the lives of these two young people. I must say, Namena Ekasikura Namuntla, that I feel very privileged to be among the few people that have been invited to this special occasion, a very privileged occasion. Aintiro wavano inkwabo, aintlango wavano inkwabo, but it's only for a privileged few. Consider yourself to be blessed. I am now going to ask the father of the bride to hand over the bride to this handsome groom standing in front of us here. Wow, isn't she lovely? Isn't she beautiful, ladies and gentlemen? Wow. Jay, please feel free to unveil her and confirm if indeed she is your bride. Go ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today to witness the union of these two beautiful souls as they become one flesh. And before we can go on, ntirho wa hina wa ku va hlanganisa, loko a ri kona loyi a nge lava mbirhi lava a va fanelanga ku nghena evukatini swin'we. A yimi hi milenge a hi byela xivangelo. Loko ku ri kumbe loko a nga ri kona o vhe a ku wi a timiyelela. Ile kam tititi kulowa tititi. Jay, do you declare today in front of all these witnesses and before God that you do take Matimu to be your legally wedded wife?
I do.
Madimu, do you declare in front of all these witnesses here today and before God that you do take Jay to be your legally wedded husband?
I do.
Now that they have taken the vows and made the commitment to each other, they will now seal those vows by the exchange of rings. Please, Jay, slip the ring to your finger. Please, Matimu, do likewise. Wow, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, now that they have sealed their vows by the exchange of rings, it gives me great pleasure today to announce that Jay and Matimu are legally married, and today they are husband and wife. You can now kiss your bride. Muito bom.
Puto. Mana wena mi. Yini? Ni mana wena. Mama kwa mina. Lava va nga ku korisa iko
Mama kwa mina. Nome pfuki u ve mana mina.
Vamos poeta, ladies and gentlemen, leswi hosi yi nga swi hlanganisa, let no man put asunder.
Will you please again marry me?
Say yes! Yes! Wow, ladies and gentlemen, we have a miracle. Xikwembu xa hina n'wino xa endla masiku.
A ni koti ku swi twisisa. Uma khome njhani?
Vutomi. Nkulu wa wena a nga va na 14 years. Papa va we va ni hlongola kaya. Nteko ya hanya. Wena ni yini ya ku vona u ri na 9 years? A swi nga ni oloveli n'wananga. Ni kombela u swi twisisa, u swi amukela. Vutomi ni mana wena. A no va ntsonga ni ta va ni ku hlayisile n'wananga. Ni swi tiva ku a swi olovi ku swi amukela mara vutomi. Swi amukeli n'wananga.
pleasure to once again declare Mr. and Mrs. Masingi husband and wife one more time. You can kiss your bride. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I tell you, Madrid, kita congratulate our new couple.
Ngasi